Hi there, and welcome to Dreamweaver CS5 101, Core Dreamweaver CS5. I am your host, your presenter, your tour guide on this crazy Dreamweaver adventure. I'm Geoff Blake. Welcome to it. I hope you're up for a lot of fun and a lot of learning. You know, a lot of people are nervous to make the plunge into web design. Now, I don't know, maybe you're coming into this cold, or maybe you've messed around a little bit with Dreamweaver so far and maybe you're having a little bit of trouble and you want to learn more about Dreamweaver. My goal is to make this fun and understandable and an enjoyable experience. So as little pain as possible, I guess is what I'm trying to say to you. Anyway, I hope you're up for it. Now, check this out. I wanted to give you an idea of some of the different things that we're going to take a look at here. And I realized that this list is huge. There's so much stuff that I want to show you, so much stuff that I want to get to. But let me at least give you a quick rundown of what we're going to learn together, what we're going to tour through together. So first of all, speaking of tours, I want to give you a tour of the Dreamweaver interface, and I want to show you some neat ways to go about customizing Dreamweaver and really making it your own. And if you've launched Dreamweaver before, you know that the interface can be a little bit complicated. I want to show you some techniques, some methods for simplifying the interface. Then what we'll do is we'll get into managing pages and multiple websites in Dreamweaver. I'm going to walk you through a process called defining a site in Dreamweaver. We'll talk about that. And then I think you're going to really love the next part, building a CSS-based layout. This is, I would say, one of the most important, if not the most important part of our entire Dreamweaver adventure here together. I'm going to show you how to build a CSS-based layout using divs, and there's lots of different options that we have available there. So I think you're going to like that. We're going to talk about working with text, inserting text, working with structural headings as well, getting content into the layout essentially. And then we're going to start working with CSS as well. We're going to start formatting your text using CSS. If you've never used CSS before, you're going to enjoy that. We're also going to take a look at working with something referred to as external style sheets. So you'll see that. And then everybody loves graphics. We're going to get into inserting and formatting graphics as well. We'll talk about file formats. We'll talk about some different formatting techniques as well. I'm going to show you some techniques for resizing and updating your graphics. And I also want to show you, again, this is another huge part of the course here, using smart objects between Photoshop and Dreamweaver. I think you're really going to like that. And then it's all about hyperlinks, setting hyperlinks to different pages, to different websites. I'll show you how to create a hyperlink to an email address. I'll show you how to format your hyperlinks using CSS as well. And then finally, we'll finish off with a look at inserting, formatting, and working with tables, and also using something called behaviors in Dreamweaver to create some rollover effects for our layout's main menu. So I think you're going to enjoy that. So as you can see, we have a huge amount of stuff to get to. I hope you're up for it. I hope you're into it. So without further ado, let's check it out. Let's get started.